If your friend messages you at midnight 12 o'clock and you cannot reply, this app will do it for you. Just subscribe to my channel and watch this video till the end. Now you need to go to Play Store and search for autoresponder WA. You need to download this app right here. After installing the app, you have to click the plus icon here. This is the message what appears to you. Suppose somebody sends a message hi to you. You can choose the exact match or similarity match. Let me choose the similarity match. This is the message what the autoresponder has to reply for the message hi. Let's reply hello. How may I help you? You can set multiple replies if you unlock Pro, but for now let's reply only once. With Pro, you can also connect Google's Gemini AI. You can also connect ChatGPT, etc. With Pro, you can delay the message or you can also choose specific contacts if you want, or ignore contacts. You can also choose conditions. You can also choose pause rule for conversations. Now let's put this to test. Now let me enable autoresponder. I got a hi message from someone. Let's wait for the response. You can see that after 5 minutes the autoresponder has replied to the message. If you keep the app open, the autoresponder will respond in just seconds.